We'll guide you through how to highlight text in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and navigate to the project where you want to highlight text. Once you're in your project, select the text layer you want to highlight. You should see the design panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, look for the fill section, which allows you to add background colors to your text. To create a highlight effect, click on the plus sign next to fill to add a new fill layer. By default, Figma will apply this fill to the text itself, but you want it to act as a background highlight. So, click on the drop-down that shows the type of fill and select Paint Bucket instead of text. This changes the fill to act as a background. Next, you need to adjust the color to the desired highlight color. Click on the color box to open the color picker and choose the color you'd like. To make sure the highlight is visible and not too overpowering, adjust the opacity using the slider in the color picker. A slightly transparent color often works best for highlights. Once you've set the color and opacity, you might notice that the highlight is very close to the text. To adjust this, you can use the padding options in the design panel. Increase the padding values to add some space between the text and the highlight. This makes your highlighted text stand out more clearly. Finally, if you want to apply this highlight style to other text layers, you can save it as a style. Click on the 4 dots next to the fill section to create a new style. This way, you can easily apply this highlight to any text in the future with a single click. And there you have it. You've successfully highlighted text in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.